Hello friends, welcome to our Premium Institute channel. Friends, आज इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे important MCQ on mountain ranges of India. Let's start the video. 1. Which is the highest peak in the Himalayas located in India? A. Mount Everest. B. Kanchenjunga. C. Nanda Devi. D. Makalu. Answer B. Kanchenjunga. 2. The Aravalli Range is located in which part of India? A. North. B. South. C. East. D. West. Answer A. D. West. 3. Which of the following mountain ranges separates Kashmir from Tibet? A. Pir Panjal. B. Karakoram. C. Shivalik. D. Satpura. Answer B. Karakoram. 4. Which pass connects Himachal Pradesh to Ladakh? A. Nathu La. B. Joji La. C. Rohtang Pass. D. Shipki La. Answer C. Rohtang Pass. 5. The Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meet at which hill range? A. Annamlai Hills. B. Nilgiri Hills. C. Cardamom Hills. D. Satpura Hills. Answer B. Nilgiri Hills. 6. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? A. Himalayas. B. Western Ghats. C. Aravalli. D. Satpura. Answer C. Aravalli. 7. Which Indian state is home to Mount Abu? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Maharashtra. Answer B. Rajasthan. 8. What is the highest peak of the Eastern Ghats? A. Anaimudi. B. Doda Betta. C. Mahendragiri. D. Guru Shikhar. Answer C. Mahendragiri. 9. The Vindhya range mainly lies in which state? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Gujarat. D. Maharashtra. Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. 10. Anaimudi, the highest peak of the Western Ghats, is located in which state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Kerala. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer C. Kerala. 11. Which mountain range acts as a climatic barrier for the Indian subcontinent? A. Aravalli. B. Himalayas. C. Satpura. D. Western Ghats. Answer B. Himalayas. 12. The Shivalik Hills are part of which major mountain range? A. Himalayas. B. Eastern Ghats. C. Western Ghats. D. Vindhyas. Answer A. Himalayas. 13. Which pass connects Sikkim with Tibet? A. Nathu La. B. Lipulekh Pass. C. Bondila Pass. D. Rohtang Pass. Answer A. Nathu La. 14. The highest peak in the Aravalli Range is A. Mount Abu. B. K2. C. Guru Shikhar. D. Dhupgad. Answer C. Guru Shikhar. 15. The Palghar Gap connects which two Indian states? A. Tamil Nadu and Kerala. B. Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. C. Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. D. Kerala and Maharashtra. Answer A. Tamil Nadu and Kerala. 16. The Satpura Range is located between which two rivers? A. Ganga and Yamuna. B. Godavari and Krishna. C. Narmada and Tapi. D. Mahanadi and Godavari. Answer C. Narmada and Tapi. 17. Which mountain range is also known as the Young Fold Mountains? A. Aravalli. B. Himalayas. C. Vindhya. D. Satpura. Answer B. Himalayas. 18. The Dhauladhar range is part of which larger mountain system? A. Western Ghats. B. Eastern Ghats. C. Himalayas. D. Vindhyas. Answer C. Himalayas. 19. The Western Ghats are also known as A. Sahyadri Hills, B. Nilgiri Hills, C. Cardamom Hills, D. Malabar Hills. Answer A. Sahyadri Hills. 20. Which Indian state is home to the Karakoram range? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Jammu and Kashmir, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Answer C. Jammu and Kashmir. 21. The Kumaon and Gadwal ranges are part of which mountain system? A. Himalayas, B. Vindhyas, C. Satpura, D. Eastern Ghats. Answer A. Himalayas. 22. Which is the largest mountain range in India by area? A. Himalayas, B. Western Ghats, C. Eastern Ghats, D. Aravalli. Answer A. Himalayas. 23. The Himalayas were formed due to the collision of which two tectonic plates? A. Eurasian and Australian, B. Indian and African, C. Indian and Eurasian, D. Pacific and Eurasian. Answer C. Indian and Eurasian. 24. Which pass is located in Arunachal Pradesh? A. Nathu La, B. Shipki La, C. Bondila Pass, D. Joji La. Answer C. Bondila Pass. 25. The Khasi and Garo Hills are part of which Indian state? A. Mizoram, B. Manipur, C. Meghalaya, D. Nagaland. Answer C. Meghalaya. 26. Which river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau in the Vindhya range? A. Godavari, B. Narmada, C. Krishna, D. Tapi. Answer B. Narmada. 27. Which mountain range is known for its rich biodiversity and monsoon forests? A. Eastern Ghats, B. Aravalli, C. Western Ghats, D. Himalayas. Answer C. Western Ghats. 28. Which mountain range acts as a natural barrier to the Thar Desert? A. Aravalli, B. Vindhya, C. Satpura, D. Himalayas. Answer A. Aravalli. 29. The Zanskar range is part of which larger mountain system? A. Himalayas, B. Western Ghats, C. Eastern Ghats, D. Vindhyas. Answer A. Himalayas. 30. Which peak is located in the Ladakh region? A. Nanda Devi, B. K2, C. Mount Everest, D. Kanchenjunga. Answer B. K2. 31. What is the highest peak of the Satpura range? A. Dhupgad, B. Pachmarhi, C. Anemudi, D. Guru Shikhar. Answer A. Dhupgad. 32. Which mountain range separates the Deccan Plateau from the coastal plains? A. Aravalli, B. Eastern Ghats, C. Western Ghats, D. Vindhya. Answer C. Western Ghats. 33. What is the highest peak in the Western Ghats? A. Anemudi, B. Dora Betta, C. Guru Shikhar, D. Nanda Devi. Answer A. Anemudi. 34. The Naga Hills are located in which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Nagaland, C. Assam, D. Mizoram. Answer B. Nagaland. 35. The Patkai Hills are part of which mountain system? A. Eastern Ghats. B. Western Ghats. C. Himalayas. D. Arakan Yoma. Answer A. D. Arakan Yoma. 36. The Eastern Ghats run parallel to which river? A. Krishna. B. Kaveri. C. Mahanadi. D. Godavari. Answer D. Godavari. 37. Which Indian state is home to the Dodh Betta Peak? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Karnataka. D. Maharashtra. Answer A. Tamil Nadu. 38. Which pass connects India with China through Uttarakhand? A. Jojila. B. Nathula. C. Shipkila. D. Lipulekh Pass. Answer D. Lipulekh Pass. 39. The Cardamom Hills are part of which mountain range? A. Himalayas. B. Eastern Ghats. C. Western Ghats. D. Vindhyas. Answer C. Western Ghats. 40. The Deccan Plateau is located between which two mountain ranges? A. Himalayas and Aravalli. B. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. C. Vindhya and Satpura. D. Aravalli and Karakoram. Answer B. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. 41. The Kailash Range is located in which country? A. India. B. Nepal. C. China. D. Bhutan. Answer C. China. 42. Which pass is known as the gateway to Ladakh? A. Rohtang Pass. B. Nathula. C. Jojila. D. Shipki Lam. Answer C. Jojila. 43. Which river originates from the Karakoram range? A. Ganga. B. Brahmaputra. C. Indus. D. Yamuna. Answer C. Indus. 44. The Kamur range is an extension of which mountain range? A. Aravalli. B. Vindhya. C. Satpura. D. Himalayas. Answer B. Vindhya. 45. Which is the highest peak in the Indian Himalayas? A. Kanchenjunga. B. K2. C. Nanda Devi. D. Dhaulagiri. Answer A. Kanchenjunga. 46. Which of the following hills is located in Tamil Nadu? A. Nilgiri Hills. B. Khasi Hills. C. Dhauladhar Hills. D. Zaskar Hills. Answer A. Nilgiri Hills. 47. Which pass connects Himachal Pradesh with Tibet? A. Jojila. B. Shipkila. C. Nathula. D. Lipulekh Pass. Answer B. Shipkila. 48. The Khasi Hills are located in which state? A. Assam. B. Manipur. C. Meghalaya. D. Nagaland. Answer C. Meghalaya. 49. Which range forms the eastern boundary of the Deccan Plateau? A. Western Ghats. B. Eastern Ghats. C. Satpura. D. Vindhya. Answer B. Eastern Ghats. 50. What is the highest peak of the Gadwal Himalayas? A. Nanda Devi. B. Kamet. C. Trishul. D. K2. Answer A. Nanda Devi. Friends, यह 50 important MCQ on mountain ranges of India. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो नॉलेजेबल लगी तो फ्रेंड्स हमारी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर करो एंड हमारे प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियोस. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.